Now we're going to move on to make some characters for our short comic. I've created a worksheet with 3 different columns. One has creatures, one has pieces of clothing or accessories, and one has activities. There are also lots of blank spaces for you to add your own ideas. First, print out the sheet and cut out the different lists of creatures, clothing and activities. If you don't have a printer, you can make your own list. Here I'm adding some extra ideas to my list. Make sure to add some to yours as well. Make sure you keep the 3 different sections in different piles. If you can use some bowls or cups, you can put each pile in a different one. Mix each bowl up and without looking, pick a piece of paper out of each one. This is going to be our first character. Mine is a superhero holding a magic wand, blowing bubbles. Now I have my character, I'm going to draw them. I'm giving my character round glasses like her bubbles, and also a top that has BG on it for Bubble Girl. I'm going to give her long hair, and she's holding a star-shaped magic wand. Focus on making your character as interesting as you can. You can add extra things that weren't on the prompts. Because she makes bubbles, I think she would also like to be around water, so I'm putting her at the beach. I'm going to draw some waves at the bottom. And this is my finished piece. Once you've made a couple of different characters that you like, you can move on to designing where they live, what they like to eat, and who their friends or enemies are. This will help us to decide what kind of story we want to tell about them. I've made a worksheet for you where you can draw out your characters' favourite outfits. Do they like to be fancy or comfortable? The items they carry. For example, magic items, snacks, or any technology they have. And also a space to draw where they live. Have fun and be creative with it. First, I'm drawing the items that she carries with her. She's got her magic bubble wand, some spare glasses just in case, some chocolate treats, and of course some spare bubble liquid. My character's favourite outfit is going to be her crime fighting outfit. She's got a top with her logo on it and some shorts as well as some magic bracelet. Lastly, I'm going to draw her beachfront home where she lives. Make sure to keep your character sheets safe because we're going to refer back to them when we make our comic.